What's up guys, it's your boy Andre and we're back here again at the Harley-Davidson garage. I'm here to show you a simple way to deter motorcycle thieves using our disc brake lock. This corrosion-resistant disc brake lock is made of hardened drop-forward steel and features a dual reinforced high-security disc-style cylinder. This lock's lightweight and compact design makes it easy to take it along in a backpack or luggage. Installation is simple and it fits on the front brake rotor of most 1983 or later models. The only exception being models with a 19-inch lace front wheel and V-Rod models equipped with solid disc front wheels. However, it does fit on the rear brake rotor on V-Rod models. Included in your purchase are 2 keys and a high visibility reminder cord, which can be looped around the lock and your hand grips. These keys also come with a free key registration and replacement program, a limited lifetime manufacturer warranty, and an optional anti-theft protection. All details are included in the packaging. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono, and we'll catch you next time.